How to do curtsy lunge, knee raise, mini band above knees. Set up. Place a mini resistance band just above your knees. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Engage your core and keep chest lifted. Step by step. 1. Step into curtsy lunge. Step your right leg diagonally behind and across your left leg. Bend both knees into a lunge. Keep your front knee tracking over your toes. Don't let it collapse inward. 2. Band tension. Slightly push your knees outward against the band. This activates your side glutes. Very important. 3. Drive into knee raise. Push through your front heel to stand up. Bring your back leg forward into a high knee raise, hip level or higher. Balance plus control. Pause briefly at the top. Keep your hips level and core tight. 5. Repeat. Step back into curtsy again. Do all reps on one side, then switch. Form tips. This makes a big difference. Don't let your front knee cave inward. Keep your torso upright. Slight lean is okay, but not excessive. Move slow and controlled. Don't rush the knee raise. Push through your heel, not your toes. Muscles working. Primary muscles. Gluteus medius, side glutes. Main muscle for wider hips. Gluteus maximus, power and shape. Quadriceps, front thigh during lunge. Secondary muscles, hamstrings, support and control. Hip flexors, during knee raise. Core, ABS plus obliques, balance and stability. Adductors, inner thighs, stabilize in curtsy position. Benefits. 1. Build side glutes, hourglass shape. The mini band forces your knees outward. Strong activation of glute medius, which helps create wider looking hips. 2. Improves balance and coordination. The knee raise challenges stability, especially on one leg. 3. Combines strength plus cardio. Lunge plus knee drive, or more calorie burn than a basic lunge. 4. Strengthens knee and hip stability. Great for injury prevention and better movement control. 5. Activates glutes more than regular lunges. The curtsy angle. Plus band tension hits muscles that normal lunges often miss. Optional variations. Add dumbbells for more resistance. Slow down the lowering phase, 3 seconds, for more burn. Add a kick instead of knee raise for different glute activation. Do a pulse at the bottom before standing up. Thanks for watching.